Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the passenger side window switch on this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. This is the same as the Dodge Grand Caravan. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. Okay, you're going to need some kind of pry tool. This is pretty simple. You just reach under here, pry this up like that. Same on the other side. And you can just lift this right out of here. So we've got an electrical connector right here that we have to undo. So we're just going to push in on this clip right here and pull. And we've got our old switch out right here. And get our new switch. I'll have these linked on Amazon if I can find them there. I just got this one at a junkyard though. So we will plug our new switch back in, just like that. And then just reinstall it by pushing it back in place. So that's pretty simple. That's all there is to it. If this video is helpful to you, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. That really helps me out. Thank you for watching and have a good one.